everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy and short way to subtract 3 and 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, now let's try this example. How to subtract 4,568 minus 1,354. Notice we're subtracting a 4-digit number from a 4-digit number and there's no regrouping needed. So we're going to arrange the numbers in a column. Okay, now let's have the parts of the subtraction. 4,568 is what we call the minuend. 1,354 is the subtrahend. And the result is what we call the difference. Okay. Since no digit on the top number is smaller than the digit below it, no borrowing or regrouping is needed. So just subtract each digit is starting from the right. From ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousand place. Again, we start from the right. Okay, now let's have the first step. Okay, the first step is to subtract ones place. We have 8 and 4. So we subtract 8 minus 4 equals 4. Then for the next step is to subtract tens. So in here we have 6 minus 5 equals 1. Next is to subtract the hundreds place. We have 5 minus 3 equals 2. And then the next one is to subtract thousands place. We have 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So 4,568 minus 1,354 equals 3,241. Okay, what can you do to make sure your answer is correct? Now check your answer by adding the difference to the subtrahend. It should match the minuend. If the answer doesn't match the minuend, you made a mistake. So again, always check your answer by adding the difference to the subtrahend. It should equal to the minuend. Okay, so for the checking, we're going to add 3,214, which is the difference, okay, to 1,354, which is the subtrahend. Okay, so 4 plus 4 equals 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so the answer is 4,568, which is it matched to the minuend, 4,568. Meaning the answer is correct. Okay, so that's all for now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more easy math lessons. See you next time on Math Picture, where math is made simple and fun. And thank you for watching.